Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and basic connectivity because most audio issues are simple connection problems. Once done, unplug the base station USB, wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in to force Windows to re-enumerate the device. Make sure your Astro A50 is selected as the default playback device and default communication device. This prevents split audio routes. If you use the mix amp or optical, keep them disconnected for now so the USB path is clean and predictable. Next, you tackle software and firmware because the headset needs proper drivers to negotiate codecs. First, open Device Manager and uninstall any generic USB audio device entries tied to the A50, then scan for hardware changes so Windows reinstalls the correct driver. Once done, run Astro Command Center and update the headset and base firmware. Firmware fixes sync and microphone routing. Also, disable other audio adapters and Bluetooth devices temporarily so there's no conflicting audio sync while you confirm clean operation. Finally, you finalize routing and level settings. Use the Astro Command Center to run auto-calibration, then adjust chat-to-game balance on the base station until levels are correct. Test in one voice app with narrowband and another with wideband to verify mic clarity and set mic monitoring or side tone so you hear yourself naturally. If audio problems persist, perform a factory reset of the base station and try a different USB port or a powered USB hub. This resolves persistent power or enumeration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.